Hi everyone, let's make a lovely summary postcard. For this one you just need a normal white card and some baking paper. For this you will also need a hammer and finally some kind of flower, maybe some leaves. I haven't tried this with leaves yet, so we'll see how that goes, but at least a flower you will need. So we're starting with this normal white card, just like a postcard base, and then we'll take our flower. I've chosen a violet, but you can choose any kind of flower you want, but it needs to be of some kind of colour, it can't be white. And then we'll put these leaves here as well, so you put them where you'd want them to be on the card, and then you will place your baking paper on top, and then you take your hammer and very carefully start hammering your flower. And what this will do is it'll take the pigment, the colour, out of the flower and squish it into the paper. So what you'll be left with is a print of the flower and hopefully also the leaves. Like I said, I haven't tried with the leaves yet, so I hope that they'll turn out okay. But then when you have hammered enough, what you will do is you will then take the paper off and then see okay, maybe not the leaves, okay, but the flower you'll just very carefully peel off the flower. Oh, that's lovely. So you'll be left with the print of the flower. You can reuse the same flower at least twice, so you can put the flower back onto it and with the paper again very carefully hammer it out into the paper and then carefully peel it. You can only use it twice because it starts to fall apart, but it looks pretty good. And then on the other side, of course, you can write something, a little letter, a little poem perhaps. Perhaps you could make this for your teacher before the summer holidays. But there you go, there's a little hand-printed flowery card for you. If you like this video, please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel and you'll see all my other videos. Thank you very much, folks.